SafeMoon update, man. Y'all see the title, and I'm gonna give y'all my opinion on if I think SafeMoon can hit a penny. But first, I wanted to show y'all the website, give y'all a quick rundown on what SafeMoon is for those that don't know what it is quickly. My name is DeMarco Douglas. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We talking about crypto, entrepreneurship, investing in general. And I got some free stuff for y'all in the description section of the video if you like. Not even if you like it. Everybody need it. If you don't have any of these accounts already, you want to sign up for these accounts and get free stocks, free crypto. Just check the description section. It's over $2,000 worth of free stocks and crypto down there. So check that out. But here we are. We on the SafeMoon website, safemoon.net. We here. And so let me give y'all a quick rundown. So SafeMoon protocol is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token. Three simple functions occur during each trade: reflection, LP, acquisition, and burn. So DeFi is decentralized finance token. So basically a coin that is not controlled by a central organization or just somebody who has one organization who has control over it. That's all decentralized means. So they talking about it has three functions. One of them is reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. Now I could break these down right here, but they'll go into a better description of them a little further down. So right now we got the current price at 0.00007275, and we just hit 1.8 million holders. There's a supply of 585 trillion right now left. The market cap is at about 4.2 billion. I could easily see this market cap 10xing, even from what it's already up about. Let me see. Let's go to CoinGecko. SafeMoon. Let's see how what percentage is up already. I think it's up about. No, that was Dogecoin. I'm not sure with this one. So this is up 1,000% in the last 30 days. I think we could easily see another 10x. The exact time frame, that could differ. I'll break that down in a second, but I could see it 10xing. So what they mean by community driven and fair launch. The developer team burned all of their tokens and participated with everyone else. So simply that means when they first launched this coin or did the ICO, initial coin offering, what tends to happen with scam coins, the people who develop the coin will keep a lot of the coins from when they created it. But what they're saying they did is they burned their coins, basically destroyed their coins, and they participated in the beginning, having to get in with everybody else on the ground floor. So that just showed that they trying to be open and honest with it, and they not trying to hoard a lot of coins to dump it on us later. And then we got automatic LP. So that's the liquidity pool. So every trade contributes towards automatically generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools used by exchanges. So what that is, the liquidity pool is just a pool of coins that sit available for exchanges like Bitmark, in the future Robinhood or Binance and all these other exchanges to be able to basically connect this coin to their exchanges by having a pool of it available at all times. So they're just letting these other exchanges know, like, hey, we're gonna have a lot of this available for y'all if y'all want to, connect y'all exchanges to our coin. And then the RFI static reward is holders earn passive rewards through static reflection as they watch their balance of SafeMoon grow indefinitely. So what that means is they're talking about when people sell SafeMoon, you're automatically charged a 10% fee. And what happens is 5% of that fee goes back to holders. So they're incentivizing the people that are still holding the coin to continue to hold longer. And then the other 5% is redistributed back into the liquidity pool. So that's what they're talking about, that automatic LP right here. So I think that's pretty cool. This is called a deflationary token. So there's coins that go up, they inflate, which means basically the amount is basically unlimited. They can continue to create as many as they want. And this one is deflationary, just meaning that they burn the token. So there's a limited amount, and they'll continue to get lower and lower as time goes on. So that's something that's real nice about this one. So also they showing that they got some certifications right here. You know, they just got Certix audited, which is the audit that they need, if I'm not mistaken, to get listed on these major exchanges like Binance and things like that. And also I heard it will be getting listed on 3 major exchanges like within the next like day or two, if I'm not mistaken on that. But again, we have 1.8 million holders. So they burned so far 414 trillion tokens. So it looked like they started off with about a 1 quadrillion, I think that is. So this is something, when I read this is kind of what had me like, I'm like, okay, I did more research than this, but this is the initial research. I like when I'm first looking at a coin, I like to go to their website, read their white paper, or read like their mission statement, basically to see what, you know, what's the purpose of the coin, what's their goal. And they laid out a roadmap right here. So let's read this and see what they're saying. The roadmap, what we'll be up to in 2021. Protocol initialized. We have successfully onboarded and confirmed a Dogecoin trading pair with BPPOM. I don't know how to say that. We have also successfully begun integration process with Whitebit and began legal paperwork with Bitmark. Our team size has doubled and our marketing campaign has begun. The initial push, the Whitebit tokenomics integration, will be completed along with. So let's break this first one down. Actually, I was probably moving too fast for some of y'all. So protocol initialized. We have successfully onboarded and confirmed a Dogecoin trading pair with BPPOM. We have also successfully begun integration process with Whitebit and begun legal paperwork with Bitmark. Our team size has doubled and our marketing campaign has begun. Okay, so that was Q1 2021. So that's what they are. They already blew past that. So already they're listed on Bitmark. That's how I purchased it. If y'all haven't seen the video on how to buy SafeMoon, check that video out. It's actually going crazy right now. We got like, I think that video almost has like over 100 hours in watch time. It's crazy. And so Q2 2021. So now the initial push, the Whitebit tokenomics integration will be completed along with completion of the SafeMoon app, wallet, and games. The Bitmark integration with tokenomics will also be completed in this quarter. We will begin architecting the NFT exchange as well as video game integrations. We will be integrating SafeMoon with African markets in addition to setting up a charity drive and charity vote. We will be exploring other exchanges, Binance, and begin architecting the SafeMoon exchange. We will be expanding the team by 35% and establishing a UK/Ireland office. We will be architecting a crypto educational app as well as onboarding new partners. So basically they're letting us know that, you know, they plan on doing a lot of growing right here. And this is, you know, we in the quarter, you know, basically Q2 right now, or the end of Q2. So you know, they're in the process of doing a lot of this right now. I just seen that they announced that the wallet will be released like in the next like week or so. They're working hard on that right now. The wallet is actually a dope idea. So they're creating basically their own exchange where you can buy SafeMoon directly from like the SafeMoon app and have your own wallet right there. So if they do that, you can know the price going up. So this would be, if you know this goes through right now, while it's, you know, it's dipping, it's having, you know, some slow movement right now, some correction. This will be a good time to get in if you're gonna be in long term. You know, I say at least, you know, 3 to 5 years or longer. You know, I expect it to do it faster than that, but you know, be in it for the long run if you're gonna get in it. Or you could also, you know, jump in, jump out if you know how to watch the charts. But another big thing that I heard, you know, they're also building a way to be able to make trading NFTs a lot easier. So y'all that don't know what that is, those are non-fungible tokens. I won't go too far in that right now. I'll make a separate video on that one. But they also talked about video game integrations and how they plan on integrating with, what game was that? The one all the kids play. I just forgot the name. Roblox. So they looking of a way to integrate SafeMoon to be able to make in-game purchases with Roblox and basically do other stuff with it too. So we will be integrating SafeMoon with African markets. So they basically trying to set up a whole network out there in Africa. Basically is like a test market, and they actually putting a lot of money into it. And to me, it seems like they're aggressive with it. They really want to set it up because Africa is a it's a wealthy country with resources and things like that, but it's still an emerging market when it comes to this type of technology. So they feel it'll be easier to roll it out there, that they'll be easier to just adapt. They'll be more willing to adapt to it easier out there than trying to get it all set up out here in the States and stuff like that. So I think that's a good idea actually. They plan on opening up charities. I gotta look more into that. I'll let y'all know what that's about. So they're exploring other exchanges. Binance, I told y'all that's coming soon. I think with that Certix audit, they just that allows them to be able to be listed on Binance now, and I believe CoinMarketCap also. They also say they plan to expand their team by 35%. That's gonna be nice. Them bringing a lot of talent into the team. That's how you go from small business to big business, by having more muscle, more brain power. But we got this next section. Let's see. Q3 2021, holding the line. We will finish our crypto educational app and begin our own charity project. We will begin a community listing donation raise for several exchanges: Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. We will finish our NFT exchange and release our first video game with SafeMoon integrated. Also, they plan on releasing their own game. That's gonna be dope too. We will be expanding the team by 25%. So 35% with the 25%, that's 60%. And do a community meetup. Pending COVID restrictions, we will also be integrating with other large exchanges, Binance and Mandala. Okay, so that's gonna be pretty dope to see a SafeMoon video game come out. That's gonna be real nice to see that. And then so if they create their own games and then have it where you can purchase, in-game purchases with SafeMoon, that's gonna shoot the price up even more. So again, this will be a time to be getting in before all this happens, because you want to buy the rumor, sell the news, which is basically buying low, selling high. So Q4 2021 to the moon. We will finish the SafeMoon exchange and our charity project. We will finish integrations with our first African market and begin the next integrations with additional African markets. We will create an African-based SafeMoon office and begin hiring in those markets to create jobs. We will be taking donations for our next charity project and begin a vote on the next project as well. We will be establishing a SafeMoon scholarship in this quarter as well. So that's going to be pretty dope. I'm interested to see what that charity project will be, because that could even draw a lot more attention and awareness to SafeMoon also. So here is our team section, our core team members. So this is the CEO right here, John Caroni, I think it's pronounced. I could be saying that wrong. Captain Hodel. So y'all already know what he about. You know what I'm saying? He holding. Thomas Smith, aka I guess Papa. This is their Chief Technology Officer. Hank Wyatt. It's a cat. Okay, I don't know what this is. Dose. COO, Chief Operating Officer Jack Haynes. This is the one, if y'all seen the update, that AMA update that they did, this is one that you will see speaking with him. Trevor Church, I haven't actually seen him speaking with him yet. Ragnar SafeMoon, CM, I'm not sure what that is. Might be Chief, I don't know. Normally they do Chief Marketing Officer if it's CMO, but I don't know, he might be marketing, I'm not sure. But then we got the web developer Jacob Smith, OG King Fox. So this is the team. This is what they're about. And then, it's a lot of people that, believe in them. They got a large Reddit community. Let's check out these charts though real quick. So the last, let's see. It's the 14 day. No. Okay, so this is the last 14 days. So in the last 2 weeks, we went from, right under this line to, sitting up here, about that same distance that we went from under here above this line. So that's some nice growth, just in 2 weeks. And then especially if you would have, probably got in just perfectly a week ago, somewhere around right here, that would have been crazy. You'd have seen these gains right here. It would have been ridiculous. But we just had a nice pullback here, and we got the support right here. Where you see these little dips, where you see these dips at, those mean support areas. Those are areas where buyers begin to step back in and buy it back up. So you notice how look how similar these two areas are. This one is a little lower than this one, but you can see that once it gets back in this area here, the buyers step back in and they buy up the dip. So like around this area, I would have been buying right here, because you see this last dip, that was a support. So once I would have seen this run up right here, if I was watching it, once I would have seen this correction, I would have seen right here, like, okay, this is close enough. I'd have jumped in right here, or probably like right as it started to curl back up, and then you would have been from right here to right here. So that's what I mean by buy the dip or buy low and sell high. Now I'm just adding to my position. I'm not gonna sell this. Honestly, I believe SafeMoon will make a lot of us millionaires. Honestly, if we hold it long enough. I'm not. It could take 1 year. It could take 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. 5. I don't know how long it'll take, but I'm holding this one. I'm not letting it go. I had 165,000 Doge and let them go for a $2,000 profit when it would have been right now somewhere around 130,000. So I learned my lesson on that one. I'm back in Doge, but not with the same position I had, obviously. So this one is for the long run. But let's see. I got a couple notes here also. So we getting a lot more celebrities talking about Doge. Or not Doge, my bad, y'all. We do got a lot of celebrities talking about Doge too, but SafeMoon right now. We got a Russian soccer player that's real big over there. He just tweeted at Elon about SafeMoon. So as that starts to happen, you've seen the same trend with Doge. As you want to follow these trends. You want to remember what happened the last time when you seen something take off. And as you start to see those same things, mimic the last thing, then those are the signs that it might be about to take off. So you want to start looking for those support areas and things like that. So remember, this is a very high risk play. That's what I wanted to tell y'all. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. Always do your own due diligence. Do not complain to me if it takes a 20, 30, 40% dip. Remember, crypto is a lot more volatile than the stock market. So we could be seeing 60% dips. You know what I'm saying? So if you're not prepared for a 60% dip, then you might want to, hold off and just stick to stocks. But that's just a note. But SafeMoon has officially entered into the top 50 cryptos, and I believe it's a little higher than that. We could be in the 40 range now. Let's see what else we got. Okay, and now do I think it could hit a penny? Honestly, yes, I do think it could hit a penny. Like I said, I don't know how long it could take, but we would need pretty much like an overall market cap of about 10 trillion, I believe. Once we start getting in that range, once we get listed on Binance, once we start getting some institutional investors stepping in, like these big banks and stuff like that, because SafeMoon was just mentioned on Wall Street Journal. So Wall Street Journal is obviously for the institutions, the professionals. So as they begin to hear about it and see it more, they just seen the run up with with Doge and with Sheeb. So they don't want to miss that. So they scanning now. They looking for the next one, and I believe they'll slowly. I believe SafeMoon is one of the ones that we can start to see institutional investors moving into quicker than these other altcoins, if you ask me. And also, we still need a lot of burn to happen, but I can see that happening as we lose a couple zeros. A lot of people will start to see major profits in their portfolios, and they'll take profit. And remember what happens when everybody sells, they lose 10% of that sale, and it goes back to the liquidity pool, and also 5% goes to the liquidity pool, and 5% is dispersed between everybody who's holding. So every day that you're holding, you'll see your account balance increase in coins in SafeMoon. So every day you should see a higher amount in coins. Also, for those that have watched my video on how to buy SafeMoon on Bitmark, y'all can start expecting to see y'all interest coins coming in tomorrow. So by the time y'all see this video, most likely you should be gaining interest on your SafeMoon. Because remember, every time somebody sells SafeMoon, we get more tokens. So be looking out for that as well. Remember, if you haven't checked the description section, if you don't got the apps to get these coins that I'm talking about, you could get the apps in the description section. Also, if you need help learning about trading, crypto, stocks, reach out to me via email. It's in the description section. The course is available. The book is available. The book is on Amazon right now, or you can get it from me directly for half off. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit the like button on the video, because again, that pushes out the video and just brings more people to the channel. The more people come to the channel, the more people learn about the cryptos and the stocks that we're investing in, and the community grows bigger overall, and we all make more money. You know what I'm saying? We out.